Assalamu alaikum. So in this video I will show you how you can change the settings of your input file. Let me show you. Here is our input file. As you can see, I have saved testing. Here is our input file. As you can see, this is okay. You have to open it. Okay, you have to open this input file while the notepad. Okay. Once you have opened it, what you have to do is that so here is mentioned that E-frame. E-frame is basically you have to set the frame or energy frame. Okay. So this 7,000 basically means this is 7 tera electron volts of energy. Okay. If I use here 13, so it becomes 13 tera electron volts. Okay. This 30 basically this E frame is in terms of giga electron volts. Okay, so once we are writing 13,000, it basically means 13 tera electron volts. Okay, and this is 13,000 giga electron volts, and this is our CMS frame of reference. Okay, and we have to collide proton with proton. Okay, so we are using collision between proton and proton. IAB and IZB. IAB is basically the mass number, IZB is basically the atomic number of proton, one and one. And we have to collide with the target. This is our projectile. Projectile particle is proton, and our target particle is also proton. That's why we are using IAT and IZT. Okay, we are colliding proton and proton. That's why you can see here. And our frame of reference is CMS and using energy 13 tera electron volts. This is our basically limits. We don't have to change this, but we only have to change is the number of events. This is very important. So whenever you are colliding number of events 1,000, you can also take it at 10,000. Okay, so from here you can easily set the number of events like 1,000, events, whatever you want. Okay, this is how you can set the input file for colliding by using the Hijing. This is only for your understanding. So thanks for watching. Take care and Allah Hafiz.